So I'm outside our room at the Disney Aulani Resort. We're room 958. I'll just give you a quick tour as you walk in. Probably turn on some lights. To the left is a full kitchen. Sorry, I'm not moving. So a full kitchen, full-size refrigerator, like a booth with a table. And then a full living room with an entertainment center. And then off of this is a patio. That's an awesome view of the ocean, I hope. Oh yeah, the pool and the ocean. What a view. Then back over here is the bedroom. This is a 1-bedroom ocean view villa in the Disney Villas at Aulani Resort. Bathroom, a sunken tub with jets. And then a separate shower. And then it wraps back around to the kitchen. Thank you, that's it.